southwestern Illinois, northern Macoupin County in southwestern Illinois, northeastern Jersey County in southwestern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:32 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kemper, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carlinville and Palmyra. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
What the fuck?